Welcome back. This is one of our recent ponds that we've installed, Tydan Landscape. It is a granite boulder pond using granite boulders that are locally sourced, and this is a koi pond. So where I'm standing right now, this area used to be the old pond area, upper pond. The reason we were called into this project was the homeowner had problems with water, keeping water in his pond. He couldn't keep the water in the existing pond. So the pond itself was a contemporary look. It had square edges. We had a big square over here, and then there was another big square over here with a huge upper waterfall that came all the way back to here. And we said we wouldn't be able to find the leak because of the way that the pond was constructed, and to lend to the property, we told the client that there should be a naturalized pond setting. So we came in, we ripped out the whole existing pond, clean slate, filled it back in, redug out, and this is what has been created, this beautiful pond for koi fish and plant material, water plant material. So this is our main water feature that we installed using granite boulders for accent rocks. The pump that feeds the water feature is a 3000 PL pump, Surumi pump, and it gives it the flow that is needed to oxygenate and circulate the water properly. On this side of the pond, we installed a 6-foot stream flowing into the side of the pond. That's using a 2,000 to 4,000 remote pump, so that the client can up the waterfall pressure for the noise. If they want to have a party going on and they want lots of action, then they can bring the flow up. And then if they don't want any, they want a more peaceful area for in the evening, they can use the remote and then tune the waterfall down. Moving along down this side over here, this green box that we have in the ground, there is an iogen installed inside there, and that is to control the algae in the pond, the string algae. It has a little controller, and you're able to bring the level of ions up or down in the pond itself. So this pond has roughly 18 lights installed in it, ranging from 1 watt lights, 3 watts to 6 watt lights. These down here are the aquascape lights. We use them in the pond and around the landscape. So the landscape's all lit up around here, and then we have where each waterfall is on this side and that side. There's lights pointing up at the bottom of the waterfall and then in the waterfall itself. The waterfalls have 1 watt lights in them. Below the waterfall there are 3 watt lights, and then inside the pond at the very bottom, shining across for viewing of the fish at night, there's 6 watt lights in there as well. So I hope you enjoyed watching our video on the transformation of this backyard into a beautiful pond landscape that anyone can have installed in their backyard.